Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Shushana and on my channel I do lots of home decor, seasonal decorating, and lifestyle videos. So if that's something you are interested in watching, I would love for you to become a part of our family and hit that subscribe button. So today, you guys, I am gonna kind of give you like a quick video. It's gonna be something quick and, easy. I'm going to be changing up my foyer a little bit. I reviewed a piece of furniture and you guys probably already seen that video. And I know y'all know, I always say, I'm going to leave this or I love that or whatever. And it doesn't ever end up that way. But the reason why I'm going to be changing up the foyer a little bit is because my husband came home and he saw all the furniture and he was a little bit overwhelmed. It just was too many pieces in the foyer. And like I was saying in that previous video, I will link it so you can go ahead and watch that. But I too agree. I agree that it's too many pieces in the foyer, too many heavy pieces in the foyer. So I'm going to go ahead and just try to change out this foyer a little bit and maybe see if that, sort of makes a difference. Yeah, so let's not let this intro be long. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So guys, what I am actually going to be doing in the foyer, I am changing up the furniture pieces. So the console table that I am taking the decor pieces off of, I'm going to switch places. Well, not really switch places, but I'm going to put it in place of that white dresser that's in the family room. That white dresser, it's a beautiful piece, but it's like falling apart, and I'm just going to take it out, put it outside on my back patio, fix it up a little bit, repaint it, and I can use that for outdoors purposes. But for this console table, I'm going to be putting it where the white dresser is, and then switching it and, switching it up because it's kind of too wide for the space anyway. And I keep running into it, and I don't want any of my kids to run into it, and definitely don't want any of my daycare children to run into it. So safety is first, and that's what kind of, made me decide that I need to change it up a little bit. So you're going to see the transition taking place right now.
Do what you gotta do. what you gotta do. Baby, for love, go all for love. We're going for love, for beating hearts off the charts. Love, go all for love. We're going for love, baby, going for love.
This is the way the console table turned out. I love it. I think it turned out really nice. I need to get some baskets for down there because as you saw, I was struggling a little bit. That basket kind of stood out too much off of the console table base, and so I have to get maybe a rectangular basket to go underneath there. You know, we could put like blankets and, you know, things like that in there, but I love the way that this turned out, you guys. It looks absolutely stunning, and I love it here in the space. It fits the space, it's the right size, and I just love it. So I'm so glad that I decided to change things up and move this in here, and let's get on with the rest of the video.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? Slip-ups and mistakes, and I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Now I'm just gonna consolidate all my design books, my RH books, because Nyla has, you know, taken a liking to them, and I'm trying to, I don't know what I'm trying to do. I'm hoping that she won't rip my books because I really do love them, and I think that they add so much to the table. But I'm also going to be adding a tray to the table, and it's not really a tray, it's actually, it's from one of my side tables, but it broke, and so I took the top off of the side table and I decided to use it as a tray. So I'm gonna put it in the center of this coffee table and hope that it looks nice, hope that it turns out well, and consolidate everything so that when Nyla is in the living room, I can just take the whole tray off with everything and put it one side, and then she can go ham on the coffee table, right? So that's what I'm doing now.
pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you. You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds, and when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you. Just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to just call on me, baby. I'll be there. Just call on me, baby. Swear that I'll be there. I'll just call on me.
Hi vlog! I'm Kayla's bestie and I'm a huge fan and it's such an honor to be included in this YouTube video because I'm Shushana's biggest fan, and please hit the like button and give her a subscribe.
She's a natural, y'all. She's a natural.
Love you!
That was Michaela's friend from school. She is such a sweetheart. I just love her so much. She's always talking about, you know, that she watches me all the time, and it's crazy to think that you know, anybody's watching my videos, but the fact that we know her, she's just a sweetheart, and I just love her spirit. But what you just saw me there, I took the glass window out of my screen door because, you know, it's warm out, summer's on the horizon, and I'm done with the winter, so I'm just going to take that out and put it in the basement. And Nyla is obviously enjoying her snack. She normally gets a snack when she gets home from school, and and we normally try to give her either a sandwich or salad, and so she's there and she's eating her salad. I put her on the table, but she came from around the table because she wanted to be close to where I was, so she ate it on the floor in the daycare room, and that's okay. So now I am going to go ahead and just start taking things from the console table that was originally in this space and just putting them inside of the dresser, because this dresser is basically being used for storage for daycare and also for seasonal decor. And so I'm just going to go ahead and take stuff out of the console table and also out of that white dresser and transfer them all into this dresser.
We're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a dashboard. I've been ballin', free my lady sitting down and now I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it.
We're going up, we're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. such a heartbeat found in your checklist story. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go down red. It's such a heartbeat found in your checklist story.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and obviously gained some inspiration. I'm always trying to inspire you guys to change up your space using what you have. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next episode. Remember, Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I do too. Bye, guys.